What do you mean by best presentation in maths exam? How to impress the evaluator with our presentation? What are the tips to improve score in maths exam through presentation? Let's find the answers for these questions in this video. This is the question asked in a maths exam where length and breadth of a rectangular field are given, asking to find area. Two persons have solved the problem. Let us see the difference between their presentation. The first person has taken L as 50, B as 20 and he got the area as 1000. He has not written the question number or not mentioned the section. He has not written the unit of area. He has not given the formula of area. Moreover, all the is equal to's are not in one line, they are scattered. Now let us see the presentation of second person. He has mentioned the section and written the question number. By doing this, he had made it easy for the evaluator to give appropriate marks. He has written what is given in the question. He has elaborated the terms. He has drawn the figure of the rectangular field. Moreover, he has given the formula to find area of rectangle and highlighted it. Finally, he had calculated the area correctly and written the units of area. At the end, he had written the inference of the problem as well. The presentation of second person is more disciplined as all the sentences are starting in one line and all the is equal to's are lying one below the other. The marks allotted to the first person 1, whereas the second person got full 2 marks. So there is a difference of 50% marks due to presentation. The first person might be more intelligent than second person. He might be thinking that he has completed the problem within seconds, but the evaluator recognizes you with your presentation. You might have practiced hundreds of questions in this chapter, but only 1 or 2 questions are asked in the examination. So 95% of the problems you have practiced may not be asked in the question paper. You might have spent whole year in practicing mathematics day in and day out, but you will be given only 3 hours in the final examination to show your talent. So, my question to you is whether you want to hide your talent or express your knowledge in the final examination. Decide yourself.